For many years, we have worked on security cases. What does that mean? Security cases focuses on the negligence of the landowner or the person occupying the premises. So for instance, it could be a Walmart parking lot, it could be a gas station, convenience store, any other location where customers are invited. They call them business invitees. And the owners of those premises have an obligation, a reasonable obligation, to make the premises safe. And what I mean by that is we know that in Miami and other areas anywhere in the country for that matter, that crime is a reality. But as a storekeeper, as someone who invites people on the premises, they have an independent duty to make sure as best they can, reasonably so, to make those premises safe from crime, to protect you as a consumer from crime, to protect you from being a victim. And how do they do that? They do that with lighting. Depending on the circumstances, security may be necessary. Depending on the circumstances, limited accessibility, in other words, limiting the access on and off the property, may be required. But the fundamental necessary thing underneath this, in order to prosecute a claim on behalf of someone who is injured by a crime, is what's called foreseeability. We must, as your lawyers, prove that the crime was foreseeable and preventable. And how do we do that? We do that by evaluating the crime in the area on the subject property. We must get qualified experts who understand the role of security and how it relates to preventability and how the foreseeability elements fit in. So we must do all that. And if we can do that, if we can prove that the crime was foreseeable and it was preventable, then we have a legitimate claim against a business owner for the damage that occurred to you. We have also represented people who have unfortunately been raped on the premises of hotels and shopping centers and properties of that nature. So landlords do have a duty and responsibility, and I am here to promise you that we will make sure that if you or your family is a victim of a violent crime, that we will fully, thoroughly investigate the matter and determine if where the incident occurred, it was foreseeable and preventable. Then we will be able to represent you and your family and your loved ones. And before hiring any lawyer, any law firm, you must make sure that they are familiar with foreseeability, preventability. Those are the key language terms, the operative legal terms that matter, that make a difference in your potential to recover. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful for you. My name is Brett Panter, the senior partner from the law firm of Panter, and San Pedro.